DJ dreams go beyond.
New vacancy in the UAE.
Document Controller, Building Construction. We are seeking a senior document controller to manage and oversee the complete documentation system for our residential and villa construction projects in Abu Dhabi. Requirements: bachelor's degree, BTEC, BE, in civil engineering from a recognized university. Minimum 5 years of UAE experience as a document controller. Senior document controller in civil building construction, residential villa, projects. Strong understanding of engineering drawings, construction documents, and approval workflows. Proficiency in EDMS, Electronic Document Management Systems, MS Office, and Adobe Acrobat. Excellent organizational skills with attention to detail and accuracy. Good communication and coordination skills in English. Arabic is a plus. Familiarity with ISO standards and company QA/QC documentation procedures.
Interested? UAE-based, strong building, residential villa. Construction experienced candidates, please send their CV to anisha@jayan@alrawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new job vacancies.